we're going mountain biking.
Woo! I might throw up. What a show off.
This is something I've wanted to do for a really long time, but just never really had the opportunity to. It's a pretty expensive sport to get into. We're out in the desert, we're hanging out with Cody and Christina. They're gonna teach us how to mountain bike.
Mountain biking is something that I've always been afraid to do because I can't get one more concussion from sports. I've already had 4 from one sport and I can't get another.
Comment down below who's gonna be getting a concussion tomorrow.
No, babe, don't put that out in the universe.
These guys are basically professional bikers.
We tell them that the trail is going to be easy. It's actually not.
Cody actually knows what he's doing. He's been biking since a babe. And
Oh gosh.
he doesn't know how to put a chair on a roof rack, but he can bike.
8 a.m., bright and early. I wonder how Megan's gonna take that. She's definitely not a get up and do stuff in the morning kind of person. Morning, everybody. We got some frosty windows. It is chilly. We are ready to go. Well, one of us is almost ready to go. The other of us is still in bed. So, you ready to get up?
No.
Okay. Will the bean juice help?
The bean juice might help.
We're gonna get biking. Biking. Let's get moving. I've been calling around. I found this bike shop that's just down the road from our campsite called Hawes Bike Shop, and they are hooking us up. We're gonna be able to go mountain biking. Super stoked. Like, we called super last minute. And they're just like, yeah, come on in.
Let's start with the small.
Okay.
I want to try it where it is, and then if we need to go up, we can. This guy won't go any lower, but there is a solution to that as well.
How do I get on and off?
So, okay, have you ever ridden a modern mountain bike before?
No.
So this guy has a dropper post, so it works just like an office chair. You see it drop down like that.
Oh, that's cool.
Yep. Yeah, I'm gonna raise you a little bit.
Looked it up. Shout out to Hawes House.
All right, we got one guy in. Hell yeah!
All right. Yeah, we don't have a hitch. We don't have a bike rack. Can't rent one because we don't have a hitch. So, we just made it work. That's what we do.
Let's go biking.
Let's go biking.
No sweat back here. I'm used to riding a subway.
I used to ride a subway.
I used to ride a subway.
Everything.
Who do we think's gonna be better at mountain biking, Megan or Matt?
Matt.
Comment below. You said Matt?
Matt. Let's try to unload these bikes without breaking the van. We're at the trailhead. We're about to get ripping.
Rippin'.
Yes, I'm ready to rip.
Am I ready?
Always ready.
All right, less than 5 minutes in, I just got myself in the nuts real good.
I have a hard time getting myself on the bike.
I
Yeah.
popped a wheelie going uphill and slid off the back.
You're trying to look cool, but it ended really bad.
Yeah.
Yeah, I look like a baby deer. I'm like,
First time.
Where those guys are is where that steep walk is that Christina doesn't like to ride, so
Okay.
we'll stop at the top of it. Use your front brake a little bit, babe.
yeah.
I got the bike.
Okay.
You can just run down.
Thank you.
Yep, go for it.
Jesus.
That's the steepest thing we're gonna see.
Yeah,
That's what
that
Christina was
okay.
talking about. So you can take your bike.
How are you feeling so far?
So far, I feel like I'm figuring it out.
I'm just gonna fall over here.
Yeah, of course he is.
Yeah.
She had a sketchy moment. She stayed calm and she didn't fall.
Sweet.
Sick.
Yeah, stay calm.
You weren't like, ah!
In my head. I'm super happy we're doing it with these guys because I think if we were doing it with just us, we would just fight the whole time because neither of us would know what we were doing.
It's funny because it's like it's not as simple as just hopping on the bike.
No.
There's so many different things going on.
Little details.
Yeah.
You know, it just takes time.
Bunch of babes on the
Bunch of
trail.
things. Somebody actually messaged us on Instagram last night. They're like, "You guys are a good-looking group."
We are a good-looking group. Do you feel like you're naturally getting it?
Yeah, I just feel like I'm holding back because I got the camera strapped to my chest.
It's probably a good thing though, honestly.
I don't know, I got a little sendy at one point. I was like, oh, this is how fast I want to go.
Woo, look at that. Butter, dude. Killing cactus.
It took me a while to get used to it because I would use my front brake more, and then you'd feel yourself like
Yeah.
jerking forward, and you're like,
Yeah, I had one where like I got that, and then you know like the little berm like right back there.
yeah.
I like my foot clipped the side of it as I was front braking. I'm like, oh, I'm dying. Trying all these like sports as like a beginner really puts into perspective how good it takes to be like the good guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is intense. I'm loving it. It's cool because this is definitely something where you can like see yourself improving.
Yeah.
Like, you know, like a shell you try like the first time and you're like, oh, I don't know.
Yeah.
And then you crush it and you're like, oh, that was easy.
Good job. Send it jump, bro.
No way.
So much better already. Good job.
This is
It's a hard
I
workout.
need more endurance, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, that comes with
Yeah.
time.
Always like looking ahead, because if you're looking right in front of your tire, you're gonna start getting wobbly because you don't know where you want to go. And usually if you're looking right in front of yourself, that's what you're gonna hit. Just like driving a car. You're driving fast and you slam on the brakes really hard, you skid. That's never good because you're out of control. Just when you climb, to stay relaxed, because people get stressed out when they're climbing. You were starting to get stressed?
Yeah.
Kind of just relax your arms and just trust the bike. That's the biggest thing. Super sick. So much.
Yeah, that was sweet that you went up that. You're doing great too, babe.
Hey. Yeah, I feel like once you go downhill, it's like you don't really want to stop.
Yeah. So we had to stop because I might throw up. But I'm fine. I took everything off and I feel a lot better.
Proud of you.
More cardio. Definitely needed.
Definitely helps.
Yeah.
Definitely doesn't hurt.
Get it.
Woo! Very nice. So unlike Cody, we're walking up that. How are we feeling, gang?
I'm feeling like this is my last ride.
How you guys feeling?
Sweet.
Yeah, just warming up.
Yep.
Yeah,
Ready to go.
these guys are
downhill.
pros. Killing it, Meg.
Feeling good. She's a ripper.
Hell yeah.
Way more fun on the way down.
Definitely.
Yeah. It is like, it's kind of worth it to like struggle on the way up to go down.
You want to do another ascent?
Are we at the end? Oh,
Don't do it. I feel like you don't want to.
yeah, I don't want to. But you can.
Do you guys want to do another loop? Yeah.
Yeah. What a show off.
That was a lot of fun. Shout out to Cody and Christina for showing us how to bike.
Thanks, guys.
Yeah, it was
You're welcome. So the first lap was really kind of figuring out how to bike, and then the second one went so much smoother, but I was exhausted. Like my legs and my arms are tired. Yeah, this is definitely something I want to keep doing in the future. I had a ton of fun. Cody and Christina are amazing guides. Cody's like basically a professional biker. We're gonna link Cody and Christina's Instagram. They're known as the Desert Cruiser. They do van tours and stuff. So if you're ever in the area, you want to get a van tour video done by them, it helps them out. So it'll be linked down below. Again, shout out to Cody and Christina. You guys are awesome. I just feel really good about biking, and I feel like I desperately need a shower now.
I stink.
Yeah, I can smell myself just sitting here.
To be completely honest, I don't think mountain biking is going to be life for us because a lot of people who are into mountain biking prioritize that when they build their vans, and we didn't. And the logistics of being able to do this on a consistent basis so that we can practice all the time, it's just not that easy. We're gonna have to rent every single time. And since we have so many things we want to try, I just don't think that we'll be able to mountain bike so consistently that we'll get like so much better. This was definitely a great follow-up to the rock climbing that we did for 2 weeks. If you haven't seen that video, check it out here. What happened?
So in total, each lap was 4 miles. We did it twice, so you guys can do the math. Comment down below how many miles we did.
Let's take a shower. We stink.
We
definitely stink.
We just got back to camp and we're just gonna hang out. If you're wondering why the hood's open, it's not because we're having mechanical issues, because we're trying to avoid mice.